Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will share a quick DIY video for Thanksgiving. Let us show some gratitude to the Almighty for blessing us with all that we have. I am reusing a decorative LED tree shaped table piece for this craft. It was a beautiful centerpiece, but sadly, it is not working. I tried connecting it with a cable. I even used the batteries, but it didn't glow. So I saw these little hard string light which I bought this Diwali, and hooray, it helped me create the magic. It looked so beautiful. Half of the work is already done. Now I used some colorful pieces of paper and wrote the blessings on them to thank the universe for all these. I used colorful pegs to hang them on the magical tree. I am grateful for the beautiful family I have. I have some amazing friends who make me laugh. I am thankful for all the love I get from everyone around me. Thank you so much, my amazing YouTube family, for helping me grow. I have the cutest daughter, the greatest blessing. I feel grateful for all the opportunities I get that keep me motivated. I am happy that I am living a luxurious life. I'm so happy and excited for the work I do. Thank you, God, for keeping me healthy and giving me strength to overcome the difficult situations. This craft not only excited me but also made me so happy and feel blessed about the beautiful life I have. I'm sure you are going to feel the same if you try this. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Let me know in the comments what would you call this tree of blessings? Stay tuned for more craft ideas. Keep crafting with AJ.